Hi Seals! So for today's video, I thought that we could do some sign language. Since babies aren't verbal, I thought sign language would be something good that both the kids and the parents could learn together to help communicate a little bit more. So for the first one, we're going to do eat, which is taking all of your fingers and then repeatedly putting it near your mouth like this. So you could do this asking if the kid wants to eat or if they're eating something and whatnot. The other one that's super important for babies is milk, and you just take your hand and then open and close and for milk. Another one is water. You're just going to take your 3 fingers and then tap it to your chin, and that would be water. All done, like when a kid is done eating their food, it's just taking both hands and then waving them back and forth like this. All done. More is your fingertips and pushing them back together like this. So more food, more books, more playtime, whichever. Bubbles, we know kids love bubbles, so it's really simple. It's just making the motion of bubbles popping in the air. And then one that might be helpful as the kid gets older is the word hurt. So you just take your 2 fingertips and then you kind of like push them in together, and you know, if a kid is having pain somewhere, they would mimic this in the area that they're having pain. So if your kid, when they're older, is having tooth pain, you would do it near your teeth, or if their head hurts, you would do it near your head. So that would be hurt. And then mother is your 5 fingers and then touching your thumb to your chin. And then dad, same thing, but to the forehead. And then grandma, same thing as mother, except you're showing the generation. So it's grandma and then touching the chin and then bouncing it outwards. And then grandpa, same thing, but on the forehead. Just like that. So there you go. There's some sign language for you and your kiddos to learn.